In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best the North Face coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for the North Face coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Voucher Codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with up to 30% discount, all you need to do is just select right here this button where it says Get Sale. So for this one, there is no code required. That means all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says continue to the North Face and you will be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website right here, which is called Voucher. So as you can see, we have some promo codes right here as well and some deals. So let's say, for example, you want to get a student discount right here, which is 10%. So all you need to do is just select the button where it says get voucher. And for this one, you don't need a promo code. All you need to do is select this button where it says go to the North Face. And after that, you will be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.